Good evening everyone. Welcome back to my channel at Maxim TV. This is Maxim Digital Media, your best friend on creating video content for you to solve your problems on technology and technology related issues. Okay, today we'll quickly be talking about some issues you find with your WordPress website. We'll be looking at how to resolve installation problems, probably for domains that you already have existing and you want to install WordPress into them and you're having an error issues with them. So we'll show you what to do. Okay, we'll smartly go into that without wasting time. But before we get into that, if this is your first time of coming to my channel at Maxim TV on YouTube, kindly hit the subscribe button, hit the like button also, and share this content to your friends and families. Join our subscribers so that you get every single video that I'm dropping on this channel that is definitely beneficial to you in one or two ways or other ways you may find useful. Okay, quickly, if you're having issues installing or reinstalling your WordPress on your WordPress website, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to direct you step by step on what to do. Kindly get to your Namecheap account or get directly to your cPanel. But for me, I normally pass through my Namecheap account. Okay, I'm signing. Once you sign in, you hover around, you come to domain. Okay, this is my dashboard. This is the domain. Okay, I'll just go to hosting. I want to go to my hosting panel, which is my cPanel. Okay, you can see here, go to cPanel. For this account is a Stellar account, so I hosted 3 domains on this one account. The account is having issues installing WordPress into the existing website maximmedia.com. Why? Because the domain got expired and I failed to renew it on time, so it was deleted from the Namecheap database. So I had to rebuy the name, and now I have to reinstall WordPress, because remember, I already have a WordPress existing in it, so it's giving me WordPress issues. I'll show you what I mean. So to install your WordPress, let's see what the error issues look like. You come to Softaculous installer, app installer. This here, Softaculous app installer. Come to WordPress. These are scripting languages. You can CMS, as content management systems. So we have install here. I'll just hit the install button. Okay. This is the domain I want to install it, maximmedia.com. Okay, so I can just leave all this, change my admin username and password. Okay, I'll do that, and shortly I'll come back. Okay, welcome back. You can see we already have this set up. I want to install this WordPress on this domain name maximmedia.com over here. So when we get down, I'll fill the password and the username. When we get down here, you can just put in my email. Put in my email here. Okay, let's install. You click on install. Let me just go up so that you see the message once it pops up. I'll hit on install. Okay, let's go down and install. Click on install. Let's have this. Let's see what the display will be. Okay, so you can see the installation error here. It said an installation already exists at maximmedia.com as per our record. To reinstall the application, please uninstall the existing installation. Okay, what do we do when you have issues like this? Okay, you can see I'm operating on the latest WordPress version 6.11. This was released on November 15th last year, 2022. Okay, what you do in this essence, what it means is this, that you have more than one WordPress running on this domain name. so you have to delete one so that one can work properly. Just hit on the subtaculous icon button here. You can see where my mouse is at the top left side. Okay, when you hit that on, you can now come over here. You can see we have 5 installations. Wow, we have 5, so we need to take off 4 installations. So you click here, or you can even delete all if you want. You can click here. Let's see. Wow, okay, we have this already existing. I'm going to take this out. This is the basic site I have here. This is the one for the sales funnel. Okay, this for the other side, and this and this and this. Okay, we'll take this out, delete this. Let's delete this. Okay, it will prompt us to delete. Remove installation. Yes, remove it. Okay, that has been deleted. Installation was successfully removed. So let's go back and check. So we have 4 installations now. Okay, that one is gone. Good and fine. That's gone. That one is gone. So we don't have. I just want to delete this. Just want to delete this. Remove this installation as well. Okay, I'm going to return to WordPress management. Okay, good and fine. So I'm back here. I only have my main site running, this and this. So let me go back and let's go back and reinstall WordPress. Okay, here we are back again. Let's reinstall the WordPress. Change this back to our domain. There should be no directory here except you want to restore. So I can just change this to Maxine Web. Anything is editable when you log into your back end. Yeah, don't mind this. We're going to fix this later. So domain description for website design. Okay, I'm going to give my username and then my password. Okay, I've inserted my username and password and everything. So what else? Let's see. Okay, I think we're good to go. My email here so that I can receive the message of installation, and everything is set. This SSL, we shall resolve this. I shall make a video to show you how to get a free SSL for your website. But normally on the first plan of buying your domain name and hosting, there's always 1 year free SSL service from your hosting company. So now we go down and hit the install button. Okay, I think we are done with everything. Okay, here is Maxine Media. We've input the site name and all that. This is editable on the WordPress dashboard. This username and password, your admin email, and also reinsert the email at this lower part to get your installation details. And now we can confidently hit on the install button. So you scroll up to see the display message. Oh wow, you can see that issues solved. WordPress is loading beautifully now to 100%, unlike before that it was telling us that it could not load due to multiple multiple installation. Congratulations, we are now at maxenmedia.com. well installed. Okay, so here you can just go here to see the front end of your website. You right click to open on a different page, and then also right click your administrative URL to load on another page and see what we have there. Okay, so we have this. So that's how to solve the issues of this. So that's how to successfully resolve this issue. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Do have a wonderful experience with your website design career. I remain your friend, Maxen Digital Media. Follow me and also watch my YouTube videos regularly on Maxen TV. If you're not subscribed, please kindly hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, also share this video to your friends and families. I wish you are the best. Bye.